Hi everyone, this is Miss Kit with the Classroom Antics YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making monster slime. For this project, you'll need a medium-sized bowl to mix everything in, and something to mix it with, like a popsicle stick or a mixing spoon. Some water, some liquid laundry starch, ask your parents if they have it, some glue, regular glue works fine, some food coloring, a measuring cup, we used a 1/4 cup, and any fun monster parts like googly eyes, pom-poms, beads, or anything else that a monster might have in its body. You also might want to cover your table with a drop cloth so nothing spills, and you might want to use rubber gloves as well because this can get messy. So the first thing we want to do is remove any watches, bracelets, or rings that we don't want to get slime on. You might want to roll up your sleeves as well, or wear some clothes that you don't mind getting a little bit of dirty. And then go ahead and add 2 parts water to your bowl. We used a 1/2 cup of water. Don't use as much water if you want your slime to be a little bit more solid and sticky. And then add 2 parts of glue. Again, we used a 1/2 cup of glue. And then mix this all up until it's combined, until you can't tell what's glue and what's water anymore. And after that, we're going to add some food coloring. Now we used a fancy slime food coloring. I'll go ahead and add a link in the description, but you can use any old regular kitchen food coloring. And add about 4 to 5 drops for a really nice color to your slime. And then keep mixing until you can't see the different shades anymore. Next, we're going to add 1 part liquid laundry starch, so we added a 1/4 cup. And right when you pour it in, you can start to see the chemical reaction happening, so you start to see the slime forming already. But you want to keep mixing until all the water is absorbed. Don't dump any of the extra water out. You can even get your hands in there and get a little bit messy. And then once it's mixed, go ahead and add the monster parts to finish up your slime. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to Classroom Antics for more fun projects across all our socials. Leave a comment if you tried the slime and let us know how it turned out. This slime was made as a part of our after-school engineering clubs. Be sure to visit the link in the description if you want to join an after-school club at your school or if you want to bring a club to your school.